Have we yet worked out a way of defining responsibility for a global world?
We haven't. And even Adam Smith, alongside The Wealth of Nations, he wrote The Theory of Moral Sentiment. Even Adam Smith realised that markets wouldn't deliver necessarily moral outcomes. I was very disturbed to read a note that a leading investment bank put out to its biotech clients, in which it asked the question, is curing people a sustainable business model? And in its answer, it essentially made a very rational case that actually it wasn't necessarily, because of course if everyone's cured, there's no one to buy any drugs. If you're a pharmaceutical company and you cure everyone of a particular disease, well then you won't have a market for your products.
Wow. So this is pretty scary. We have devolved responsibility to the market and to governments, but it turns out that the markets aren't very good in teaching any of us to be responsible, and so we rely on governments, but governments now are disempowered because they're national and the corporations are global. So what are we going to do other than claiming back, each of us, our responsibility for the welfare of others and bring back some sense of honour and responsibility and decency and all the classic virtues? Hasn't the time come to bring morality back again?
Of course it has. But will we as a society reinstate morality into the market? Will we choose tolerance and pluralism and equity over narrow interest of particular groups and self-interest? I'm not sure.
It's an uphill struggle, isn't it? All the pressures are going the other way.
But I do think there are pockets of hope